Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today we are going to look into the listening paper, MUET listening paper, new format. A brief summary of the structure of the listening text table is on the blackboard. You just need to focus on how many minutes, 50 minutes, how many parts, 5 parts, what kind of text, dialogue and monologue, what type of question, MCQ questions, multiple choice questions, and how many questions, 30 questions. Before we discuss further, we see the weighting and the maximum score. The weight is 25%, the listening paper is 25%, and the maximum score that you can get is 90. Now we can look at some of the effective tips that can help us to answer listening questions. So we will divide it into 3 parts, which is before listening, while listening, and post listening. Meaning before, while you're listening, and after listening. 2 tips before listening. The first, when you get the exam paper, your question paper, look through all the question and the answer options. Second, underline the keywords in the questions which you think will help you to get the answer. Round 1 listening is while listening. So use the keywords that you have underlined in the question and then as a guide to listen to specific information that you need to answer the questions. You can also identify similar words in the text and the options to decide your answer and choose the most suitable answer. Okay. So post listening, the second round, when you re-listen again to the text, so it's your time to check your answers. So check each question and each possible options carefully. Remember, most likely answers in certain options may be paraphrased. 4 resources that can help you practice your listening. There are 2 resources, MUET ONE STOP and also listening activities. You can find these resources in the blog link that is given in the description box below. That is all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel. We'll see students in the next lesson. For the resources, click on the blog link in the description box below. Thank you.